Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. The basic rule is simple. Place them before the main verb, but place them after the verb be. This is the key placement rule to remember. Adverbs of frequency go before the main verb except when the verb is be, then they go after be. For example, she always plays football. The adverb always comes before plays, but he is often late. The adverb often comes after is. Here are the most common adverbs of frequency from most frequent to least frequent. Always means 100% of the time, usually means most of the time, often means many times, sometimes means half of the time, rarely means almost never, never means 0% of the time. When you have a main verb that is not be, the adverb goes before it. She always plays football, always comes before plays. They often visit their grandparents. Often comes before visit. I never eat junk food. Never comes before eat. When the main verb is be, the adverb goes after it. She is always happy. Always comes after is. He is often tired. Often comes after is. They are usually late. Usually comes after are. Auxiliary verbs and modal verbs follow the same rule as be. The adverb goes after the auxiliary but before the main verb. She has always lived here. Always comes after has. They can sometimes be late. Sometimes comes after can. Remember the complete positioning rules. Before the main verb except after be. Between auxiliary verbs and main verbs. For emphasis, adverbs can go at the beginning or end, but this is less common. The basic rules cover most situations. Now practice what you learned. First sentence. She blank studies English. The adverb goes before studies, so choose always, usually, or never. Second exercise. He blank happy. Since it is the verb be, choose is often, not often is.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.